Whoa! What happened? Just a wallpaper. I mean. LG OLED. I'm using this TV 10 hours a day, every single day, as a PC monitor, all the way from Black Friday 2019. And it is very reflective, and the question is it still any good? Well, we're gonna do a burning test. Well, wow, such a quality. But the question is, do we have any burnings or issues with such a beautiful looking device? Hitting the service menu, 0413, 11,638 hours of usage. That is a lot. I'm not sure why I shout, but the speakers are amazing. You really don't need a soundbar. Let's stop that beautiful demo. Hitting the Acer monitor test. Do we have any burnings? Maybe a little darker on at the very bottom when the taskbar is from Windows, but no, it's like 2% different shade. It looks okay to me. In red, you don't see any shades. It's clean. Green, fantastic. Blue, awesome. Uniformities in 75% of brightness, 50 and 25. Clean. Color distance, gradients, sharpness, viewing angles, Acer, and yeah, response time. Great for gamers. All right, so it passed the test. Well, let me show you my settings. Such a beautiful screen. I'm in the game mode most of the time. So 80 light. Sometimes I'm getting a bit lower, 50 light. So I'll customize the settings. But other than that, everything is on default. Software update. It's up to date. Wow, such a quality and such a beautiful sounding device. But there is one issue. Let me show you. If we close a look, then we do have a couple of stacked pixels. And more. And even more. Do you see that green tint at the very edge? That's OLED thickness. The whole top is dying. More stacked pixels. There's a lot of them on the top. The whole top. There's no green tint on the edges or bottom. But that's what happened with the OLED when you're not using it for a couple of months. Yeah, I've bought a new one and I leave that TV off for a couple of months. And that's what happened. So I guess every living thing on this planet needs to move in order to live. Same with the OLED because it's organic LED. So I guess that's all I got for now. We're gonna use this TV until it dies completely and be unusable. Maybe sooner than later, or maybe it will stay like that for another 5 years. It's still the best looking screen I've seen ever. Even my C4, well, the C4 looks identical, so OLED is OLED, I guess. And it's not even faster. It's all the same. So whatever model you buy, you'll have the maximum experience. Well, if you go for the B4, you will get a little less reflections, semi-matte finish, but with a C and G, maximum gloss, maximum vibrant colors. And I think that's all I got for now. Link in the description for the new OLEDs. See you next video.